welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing some more Christmas DIYs from the Dollar Tree. Plus I did get some things from Dollar General, so I am just going to get started and you're gonna see me make something like this, but I'm not gonna show you everything because it wouldn't be a surprise and exciting if I showed you now. So the first thing you're gonna need is just one of these hard, thick cardboard canvases from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just using some contact paper. I got this from Fancy Fix, but you could get contact paper from the Dollar Tree as well. I just really liked this. I kind of started folding the edges over and then I ended up having to cut them and kind of fix this a little bit because I was short on one side, so I did end up having to redo this just a few times. But that's what you get for not measuring. And then I get these from the Dollar General. They had these like pine cones. I thought they were really cute. And then I took a wreath from the Dollar Tree as well and then just started gluing the pine cones all around the wreath. I'm going to end up attaching the wreath to this cardboard or this like canvas just because I don't hang wreaths that much in my house, but I do like just setting things against like the wall or stuff like that, just because I don't like putting holes or like different nail holes in just for like special occasions, and I don't really take a whole lot of decor down. So anyway, so I was just doing this. I thought adding a wreath just to this canvas would be so much better, and then I would be able to keep it up for the holiday season. And then I purchased those little bottle brush trees from Walmart. They were only 84 cents. And then I got this little truck ornament from the Dollar Tree. I did take the little tree off of that just because I think they look really cheap and small and I hate the little berries on them. So I just took one of these Walmart trees and then cut the bottom off, and then I just glued the truck and the tree to the canvas. I thought this looked so cute, and then I just took some twine and wrapped it around the top of the wreath and just secured it through the back with a popsicle stick and some hot glue. One step forward and another back. And then I think this looks so cute. I definitely think that it would maybe look a little bit better without the canvas, but like I said, I'm not going to be hanging this up, but you could totally take the little ornament and then just hang it from the wreath. But I think this looks so cute. I never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. And this next DIY is going to be super fast. I just got this little flower arrangement thing from Dollar General. They had all their summer stuff 90% off, so I only paid 35 cents for this. And the flowers and stuff are just tied with twine and some wire, so I just ended up cutting this wire and then taking the twine off. And then all I actually had to do was just add some new flowers. And I found these cute little Christmas little picks at the Dollar Tree. So this is only going to cost me a total of $1.35 to make. I was so excited. And then I just did exactly what they did. So I just took some craft wire and just wrapped it in the holes and wrapped this around. And then I just took a little twine and then just made a little bow with that. But this was so simple and easy to make, and I was so excited for this because you can definitely change this out every single season without having to ruin anything. So that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like these Dollar Tree DIYs, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.